So you want to have a dance party with Blake?
No.
Blake, you did. Yeah.
Hey, Blake, sorry. Sorry, Mom.
Thank you, Zoe. Don't do it again.
Okay.
Blake, you dance?
Hi there. Hi. 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 Hi there.
Blakey.